Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you click that notification bell so that you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. This week, I would like to share a very special unboxing with you guys that I am very excited about. The Vava shop sent me this amazing waist trainer slimming belt for my workouts, and let me tell you guys, this is the real deal. I have tried a couple other different belts that were okay, but they just weren't it. You guys, this belt is everything. I want to throw out my other belts. Like, this is all I need now. The shipping is super fast, the customer service is phenomenal, and it is packaged perfectly. So once you take your belt out of the packaging, it is so cute, you guys. I love the color schemes. I believe there's different color schemes as well. This one obviously is the orange and pink. I went with a size medium for my first belt, and of course, once I slim down more, I will go down in a size, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Quality, like I said, is amazing. When you put the belt on, you know how with some belts where you have to hold it? This one has Velcro to where you can just stick it on, right? You can stick it on. Of course, it's not perfectly on right now, but I'm just showing you. And then this is already on. Now get this, when you put the second part of the belt on, it Velcros on already. It Velcros on, so then the other side, you don't have to worry about holding it. It just Velcros on as well. So I really love that. That's one thing that made me like this belt, of course, more than my Sweet Sweat belt. I've had my Sweet Sweat belt for years, but I don't need it anymore. I honestly only need this belt. It's perfect. As far as comfort, it's super comfortable. I have worn this now for my spin classes, and I've also worn it for weight training classes. It keeps everything sucked in and snatched in. When you take it off, I see instant results. Overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I give my Vava belt a 10 out of 10. You cannot go wrong with this belt. I love it so much. It's perfect for all workouts, whether you're doing a spin class, going for a jog, weight training, whatever it is, you definitely need this belt. I want to personally thank the Vava shop for sending me my very own Vava Fitness waist training slimmer belt. And if you want your very own Vava shop waist trimming belt, I will leave all of their information in the description box below. Check them out. I do know that the waist trimming slimmer belts are on sale right now, so make sure you check out the website and go get your belt today. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video, and until next time, I will see you later.